hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my plower, chugga-lugga-lugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester. 3 miles of cars laying on their horns, falling on deaf ears of corn, lined up behind me like a big parade of late to work, road rage jerks, shouting obscene words, flipping me the bird. Well, you may be on a state paved road, but that blacktop runs through my payload. Excuse me for trying to do my job, but this year ain't been no bumper crop. If you don't like the way I'm a-driving, get back on the interstate. Otherwise, sit tight and be nice and quit your honking at me that way. 'Cause I'm the son of a third-generation farmer.
Can you take a picture of me? Steffa, look at this. How come it stopped? It reminds me of Mr. Rogers.
You always say the same.
Well, I'm watching.
Going any faster, so just smile and wave and tip your hat to the man up on the tractor. 'Cause I'm the son of a third-generation farmer. I've been married 10 years to the farmer's daughter. I got 2 boys in the county 4-H. I'm a lifetime sponsor of the FFA. Hey, that's what I make. I make a lot of hay for a little pay. But I'm proud to say I'm a God-fearing, hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my plower, chugga-lugga-lugging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester.
See as you get close to. Do it again.
Well, life on the farm is kind of laid back. Ain't much an old country boy like me can't hack. It's early to rise, early in the sack. I thank God I'm a country boy. Well, a simple kind of life never did me no harm. Raising me a family and working on the farm. Days are all filled with an easy country charm. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a fine wife, I got me old fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy. When the work's all done and the sunset low, pull out my fiddle and I rosin up the bow. Kids are asleep, so I keep it kind of low. And thank God I'm a country boy. I'd play Sally Gooden all day if I could, but the Lord and my wife wouldn't take it very good. So I fiddle when I can, work when I should, and thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a fine wife, I got me old fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy. Woo-hoo!
Have a little love on a little honeymoon. You got a little dish and you got a little spoon. A little bitty house and a little bitty yard. A little bitty dog and a little bitty car. It's alright to be a little bitty. A little hometown or a big old city. Might as well share, might as well smile. Life goes on for a little bitty while.
All those little cars, Rick is like the new thing.
Little bitty gal, they'll grow up in a little bitty town. Big yellow as well share, might as well smile. Life goes on for a little bitty while.
That thing straight out there in the water. Yeah.
That's the control tower.
Oh.
So that drains marching in right there.
Okay.
Water on Bluesville must be full.
Another summer from a sack, a 99 cent heart attack. I got a pound in here and a big back, and the candles buried in a big straw stack. I'm going where the green grass grows, watching my corn pop up and grows. Every night be tucked in close down. Raise our kids where the good Lord's blessed. Point our rocking chairs towards the west, and plant our dreams where the peaceful river flows, where the green grass grows. Well, I'm from a map dot, a stop sign on a black top. I caught the first bus I could hop from there. But all of this glitter is getting dark. There's concrete growing in the city park. I don't know who my neighbors are, and there's bars on the corners and bars on my heart. But I'm gonna live where the green grass grows, watch my corn pop up in rows. Every night be tucked in close to you. Raise our kids where the good Lord's blessed. Point our rocking chairs towards the west. Plant our dreams where the peaceful river flows, where the green grass grows. I'm gonna live where the green grass grows, watch my corn pop up in rows. Every night be tucked in close to you. Raise our kids where the good Lord's blessed. Point our rocking chairs towards the west, and plant our dreams where the peaceful river flows. Whoa, where the green grass grows.
I was snapping out broncs at the old Flying U at 40 a month, a plumb good buckaroo. Well, the boss comes around and he says, "Hey, my lad, well, you look pretty good riding horses that's bad. You see, I ain't got no more outlaws to break, but I'll buy you a ticket and I'll give you a steak. It riding them bad uns, well, you ain't so slow, and you might do some good at the big rodeo." While they're a-putting the bull in the chute, I'm strapping my spurs to the heels of my boots. I looks that bull over, and to my surprise, well, he's a foot and a half in between his two eyes. On top of his shoulders, he's got a big hump. I cinches my rigging just back of that lump. I lights in his middle and I lets out a scream. He comes out with a beller and the rest is a dream.
He's like, I think I'm gonna go this way.
Well, he jumps to the left and he lands towards the right. But I ain't no greenhorn, I'm still sitting tight. The dust starts to fog and right out of his skin. He's waving
Yeah.
his horn right
Yes,
under
yes.
my chin. That sun in his belly, he couldn't
Oh, this one looks like it's just in pain.
Oh
man.
He's
Like
a
it's
dipping
awful
slow
to
that my
walk.
boots fill with dirt. He's a making a whip of the tail of my shirt. He's a snapping the buttons right off of my clothes. He's a bucking and a bawling and a blow in his nose. The crowd starts to cheer him on me and that fool. Well, he needed no help. Well, I had my hands full. Then he goes to fence rowing and weaving behind. My head went popping and I sort of went blind. He starts in high diving, I lets out a groan. We went up together, but he come back alone. Up high, I turns over and below I can see he's a pawing up dirt just a waiting for me. I can picture a grave and a big slab of wood saying, here lies a twister that thought he was good. I know this is something don't seem can be true, but the brand on his hip was a big flying U. When I landed he charged, but I got enough sense to outrun that old bull to a hole in the fence. I dives through that hole and I want you to know I ain't going back to no big rodeo. And a straddling them bramers, you can bet I'm all through. I'm a sore footing it back to the old flying U.